I'll guide you how to create a database in Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to notion.so and log in using your Gmail account. Once you're in, look over to the private menu on the left-hand side. Click Add New and choose the Empty Database option to get started. Now, you'll see a table where you can fully customize your properties. Click on the existing columns to rename them, like changing the title to name. Then, add new properties such as email and phone number to match the kind of data you want to manage. You can also delete any unnecessary columns to keep your workspace clean and easy to navigate. Once your table is set up, start inputting your employees' email data into the corresponding fields. To add a new entry, simply click New Page at the bottom of the table. Keep entering your team's information one by one, row by row, until everything is complete. And that's it. In just a few easy steps, your Notion employee database is good to go. You can update, edit, or expand it whenever you need. Super simple and efficient.